2004 Lexus LS430, 77,000 miles, one owner. This is the luxury package with every option, not the ultra luxury package. Has navigation, backup camera, blind spot detectors, heated and air conditioned seats, heated rear seats, parking assist, front and rear parking sensors with the parking assist, power rear shade, sunroof. What a sexy vehicle. Super clean, brand new Firestone tires, chrome dip wheels. We have the original window sticker with this thing that shows all the options. Power telescoping steering wheel, power folding mirrors. You name it, it has it. Leather is like new, power seats, everything works on this car. Power windows, locks, mirrors, telescoping mirrors, power telescoping steering wheel, 77,000 miles. Heated and air conditioned seat, like I said, backup camera, navigation, original floor mats. Carfax report, one owner. What an amazingly clean vehicle. This is as close to brand new as you can find out there for the year and the miles. (2004) Lexus LS430, one owner, 77,000 miles. Basically every possible option, including with the laser cut integrated key. You name it, it has it.